Who give the order? Sino nagbigay sa'yo ng order?
Sir,
No,
I have a team
you
of
are the
deputy
one
there.
there. Wala si SOG doon. Ikaw ang nagkarga sa kanya sa aeroplano. Kaya tinatanong kita, who gave you the order?
Still, sir, I take my orders from the Chief of the Philippine National Police.
So, Chief PNP.
It's always the guidance that ang ano po namin is really to assist ang PCTC po.
Kaya nga. Oh, PCTC, did you or did you not give the order to General Marbil?
No.
No. So, General Marbil, are you lying?
So I'm not lying, but I just want to have the executive privilege po regarding this matter. This
Ay,
operation matter.
nandito na tayo eh. Executive privilege ka dyan.
Bakit naging executive privilege?
Kanina, sinabi mo, PCTC ang nagbigay ng order. Ngayon, mag-executive privilege ka.
Sino-sino na tinuro mo?
That's why we didn't want to attend the last hearing, because this is what we were expecting, ma'am. We didn't want to be bullied.
We are not bullying you, sir. Ha? We want the truth.